Ito lang ang biscuit
Ganda,
mo.
diba? Meron, syempre.
Yung sandwich ba kasi sa bag mo?
Lunch.
Food.
Bag green.
Bakit may Sharpie?
Wala.
Huh?
Kulang yung biscuit ko.
Bakit?
Isang Skyflakes lang, tsaka isang wafer.
Bakit? Ano ba dapat?
Dapat,
Sobrang dami.
oo. Hanggang 5 eh.
May Thank you for coming.
Siya mo mama.
Okay na.
500 na. Hindi mo mamahalin. Bahala kayo sa buhay.
Eh, nawala yung oil. Hi, Mommy.
Hi! Good morning.
Where are we?
Graduation ni Angel. Hi, vlog.
Oh, proud mom.
Yes.
Go! Mami, may ganda. Ano? Ganda.
Tinda na?
Pagkain.
Akala ko naman kung ano. Tao. You don't have like this? Oh, gusto mo magnakaw ako. Uy. Ah, may tinda ka.
Good morning!
Show your accessories.
From BKK, pasalubong nila kuya.
Mine too. Thanks, sis.
Ay, tan ba yung shoes ko?
And your ribbon.
Ay, very bon. I'm the gift.
Tawag ka na? Your glasses is here.
Dati po, warriors, papasok na po.
Bakit po?
Parents, mamaya po.
Do you need the camera?
No. Bigat.
Baka you need...
Wala, nakapractice ka na.
Ano?
Ha? Uy, wala ako sa vlog. Nasa car. Kunin mo na. Hindi may kasablay mo.
You don't need that?
Practice kami.
Nasa taas yan? Ayun. Tama. Ay, no! Dapat. Dito? Sa start. Dito? Yan, sa sauce. Ganito nga dapat. Ganito ba pala? Ganito. Ngayon? Dito magsisimula. Diyan? Okay.
Kasi iikot.
Eh, ba't baliktad? Walang nakalagay yung TNT.
Kasi nga ganun. Sa turning of sablay. Basta yung program.
Oh, sige. Basta ikaw na nga. Okay na? Alam mo na? Nakasablay na sila. Okay na? Usual may pasablay.
Bye.
Meanwhile,
building islands, claiming the Spratly Islands, and trying to enforce AIZ are all evidence that China is either preparing an attack or is simply trying to exert its influence on Asian nations to fight back. Taiwan, Indonesia, Malaysia, and the last question we'll ask in this video. About
But you
from the Trailblazers class.
Panatang makabayan. Iniibig ko ang Pilipinas. I accept the realities of life. I will go through both the valley of despair and lead to success. I believe I can work for great things. Therefore, all time is to achieve our mission and live our vision. I may fall, but I will get up again. I am small. To learn, to lead, to stand, to be God's students for life. We are warriors. The army of God is for eternity. We are heaven bound. The battles are overcome. We're under His command. We're in prayer. Dressed in His armor, we are rested. Triumph in our fight. Unafraid to explore. We journey, we trod. We pioneer on all paths. We are trailblazers for life. We are God's warriors, eager to do great things. No enemy can defeat us. We're to be achievers, ready to be overcomers. We are more than conquerors, equipped to be navigators on the seas of obstacles, living life busting of victory.
Same feeling I had for the past recognition and graduation programs we recently had in Vietnam and Dubai. I see faces beaming with pride in every student who is here. I know this very special moment. So everyone, please give a round of applause to these homeschooling parents. We honor you and appreciate you. Today is not just about our children, but you who stood behind, beside, behind, in every corner to make it through this momentous day. I salute every one of you. Please be seated. May I also request all the TLP ODL teachers to please stand up. Our ODL online distance learning teachers to please stand up. I have to be honest, others are in Zoom. Okay, I have to be honest, hindi ko po kayang panindigan ang pagiging isang online distance learning teacher. Coupled with the topics you are to cover is being abreast with technology and the leadership you have accorded us. Thank you for all the sacrifices and genuine support you have given us from the time you have decided to trust us in educating your children the TLP way. Please know that you are appreciated and loved by each one of us. You are our TLP parent warriors, and we thank God for the privilege of co-parenting with you. So to you, TLP warriors, will you please stand up? All TLP warriors, face your parents, and give them a round of applause. This is the list that you will do for them. Thank you, and please be seated. In my 33 years of teaching students of different, I have nothing but overflowing gratitude to our God for holding us through this school year safe and secure in the palm of His hands. All glory and honor belong to our God alone, who has called us to raise young warriors. Again, congratulations to you graduating students, and never ever forget, once a TLP warrior, always a TLP warrior. Okay, you are our pride and our hope. Thank you very much. Good afternoon at magandang hapon po sa inyo.
Andrew from the heart. Rayon, please invite.
Angel Alvia P. Isbel. Isberto Angel Alvia P. Santo Ethan Gabriel T.
Good afternoon once again, parents, guardians, and guests. On behalf of the Learning Place President, Professor Violeta Quintana, the Learning Place School Board, TLP teachers and staff, and by the power vested in me as the School Directress of the Learning Place International, and by the Department of Education, today, August 10, 2024, I now declare the Students Batch 2023-2024 consisting of 8 males and 1 female Kinder 2 students, 5 males and 1 female Grade 6 students, 11 males and 10 females Grade 10 students, 2 males and 6 females Grade 12 students, graduates of the Learning Place International. Congratulations on winning and finishing the race well. May God's hands of favor be upon you as you soar high and spread your wings in taking significant steps toward your purpose, equipped with the talents and abilities He has endowed each one of you. Okay, TLP graduates, we're now going to recite our TLP Alumni Pledge. So please follow after me. I state your name. Raise your right hand, please. Okay. I state your name. Loud and clear, please. Wholeheartedly pledge to fulfill without reservations the responsibilities given me as a member of the Learning Place International in Los Baños, Laguna. As a TLP alumni student, I believe that I am destined for greatness and will continue to lead and a living testimony of God's faithfulness, both in character and intellect, in all occasions and opportunities. So help me God. Congratulations, you are now certified Instant Winner Warriors. Once a TLP warrior, always a TLP warrior.
Once again, congratulations to our graduates and completers, and also congratulations to their parents, guardians, and all their teachers.
Thanksgiving speeches. These speeches are a highlight of our ceremony, and here's why we give our students, especially
Nagre-record.
Especially those who have reached significant milestones, the chance to express their deepest gratitude about the impact you've had on their lives. These speeches were carefully and personally crafted by our students, reflecting their unique experiences and emotions. It's a chance for them to reflect on their journey, acknowledge the unwavering support they've received, and share their dreams for the future. These speeches are more than just words. They are tokens of appreciation and love from the young hearts you have nurtured. So, let's listen intently and celebrate these expressions of gratitude, knowing that each word is a testament to your dedication.
Hello, you guys. I'll first greet my favorite individuals. Hi, Polly. Hi, Sari. Hi, Angel. Hi, Patricia, and my classmates, if ever nasa Zoom kayo. My parents, my sister, my teachers, and of course, our MCs. Further,
Economics with high honors.
Out-of-the-Box Thinker Award, Perseverance Powerhouse Award, Excellence in Visual Arts, Excellence in Story Writing, Excellence...
Congratulations!
Gold Master, Outstanding Organizer, Perseverance Powerhouse Award, Outstanding Portfolio Presentation, Best in Mathematics, TLP Kuiper Achiever, with honors, Gabrielle Anderson City Ocampo.
Endearing Ally Award, Steadfast Follower Award, Excellence in Performing Arts, Excellence in Video Editing, Excellence in Creative Arts and Crafts, Excellence Teachable, Modesty Award, Excellence in Performing Arts, Excellence in Video Editing, Excellence in Language Arts, Excellence in Filipino, with high honors, Angel Alvia P. Sberto.
Most polite, Mr. Teachable, Excellence in Oral Presentation, Excellence in Computer Graphics and Design, Excellence in Narrative Writing, Excellence in Language Arts, with high honors, Robert Bien A. Landicho.
Mindful Kindness Award. Congratulations!
Miss Progress, Steadfast Follower Award, Mindful Kindness
Walang
Award,
picture, puro video.
Excellence in Visual Arts,
Isa lang kamay ko.
Abby Angeline Elmer Henry.
Mr. Progress.
Wow, so
Most
dami.
Enterprising
So
Student
dami.
Award. Perseverance Powerhouse Award. Excellence in Physical and Health Education. Excellence in Home Economics. Justin Kyle P. Moico.
Excellence in Social Studies, with high honors, Poliana Sabel B. Navarro.
Nakataas.
Oo nga.
Di ba sumusunod yan? Hindi. Dalawa talaga kinuha mo? Sana. I have to.
Okay, sa'yo.
Ha? Eh, baka gutom ka pa. Okay, bye.
Congratulations!
Excellence in PowerPoint Presentation.
Anong award? Oh my God.
TLP Loyalty Award.
Justin Kyle P. Moico. Congratulations!
TLP Loyalty Award. PLP Exemplary Academic Award is given to Ethan Gabriel T. Ocampo.
Congratulations! TLB Loyalty Award and TLB
Anong award?
Exemplary Academic Award is given to Akina A. Zaha.
Here's to you, you were people. Hearts are made for giving. Have given mine to you. May never lose the wonder in your soul. May you always have a blanket for the cold. May the
And Mr. and Mrs. Tuazon.
Mr. and Mrs. Derequito.
Mr. and Mrs. Espejo.
Mr. and Mrs. Lantisio.
Miss Sheena Dinaban.
May award, graduate ka na.
Miss Mary Ann.
Once again, our dear parents and guardians, let's enjoy this touching presentation.
Maybe I'll never know the love it takes to make me a happy home. That's where it's safe. And maybe I'll never see
Message na lang kita, yun na lang yung gift ko sa'yo.
Visit ko. Grabe yung... Grabe, Bian, laki mo.
Anong malaki? Ano ibig sabihin mo?
Do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do do ba do 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 a do ba do ba do do.
Once again, the Phoenicians class.
I've been walking down this road for so long, struggled through darkness up to mountain tops. But I'll never stop, no, I'll never stop. I've been fighting with all of my might. I've been trying to get through this, I will survive. No, I will thrive, yeah, I will thrive. I am stronger than the past, stronger than yesterday.
What a great performance, Warriors! Thank you so much. You may now go back to your seat.
Hindi niya Ako pa mag-video. Kahit nagmamadali. Tignan mo. Same lang din naman. Hello guys.
Sabi, buti na lang. Hindi na sila talaga pumunta.
Ha?
Buti na lang. Hindi na sila pumunta. For Isberto. Uy, pwede mag-video okay? Pwede mag-video okay? Eh, ba't may TV? Kaya nga eh.
May si Angel.
Nakasumangot.
Seryoso?
Bili, gawa tayo. Bili mo na ang baril.
Ang sexy ha. Epal naman yung mukha nitong mama.
Ano tayo?
Ayun, may papatok mo.
Nasaan? May Facebook ka ba? Sabi ka naman, kailangan mo matanda. May Facebook ka ba?
May Facebook ka ba? Ate, dyan parang masarap yung sabaw. Wala tayong sabaw.
Ay, Kia.
Hi, tita!
Mami.
Okay lang.
Si Bia. 3 days ko yan. Bia, remove the
Lalo yung balgaw yung TikTok mo. Ay,
Kami ni Melon siya.
Ang dami. Ba't nakaabal si Sammy? Ayaw nga eh. Sabi niya, grabe ay yung sabon eh. Nakatingin. Ay, ito! Ito nakatingin dito. Ano daw? Dry icy. Oh, may boom.
Ay, may boom! Photocard. Inulit. Scripted! Ito pa. Ha? Ay, may malaki. Nasa diploma ko. Grabe ka naman.
Gusto ko yung malaki. Photocard nga lang eh.
Wallet size lang.
Sis, grabe yung laki na ni Angel. Sobra, dalaga naman siya.
Umiyak siya kanina.
Sabi ko nga siya sa katabi niyo lang meron. Sabi ko, hindi po ako yung mga. Wala po ako anak dito.
Umiyak siya sa tribute song namin sa parents.
Wala po ako
Kulang nga ng rose eh, no? Dapat meron ka rin.
Ano yun?
Ano? Ay!
Bakit?
Oh! Hoy, wag mo alisin yan ah. Diyan lang yan.
Ano bakit?
Oh.
Si Bia kasi kumakain.
Oh, ano na naman?
Meron pa. Namin na may isa.
Sabi mo.
Kinuha may isa? Meron pa
Siyempre.
dala. Lagay mo sa kotse mo. Sa kotse mo. Ano ako sticker?
Green pig sticker.
Tawa-tawa ka.
Ano kumain ka rin ginawa? Tawin siya.
Ano to? Sticker sa subdivision.
I video you, you video me.
Sarap to.
Sis, hindi talaga umaanda.
Ay, pinukur mo.
Hindi, 40
Kala ko dito yan.
Hindi ko pa. Meron sila. Meron drink. Ngayon ano, fruit shakes dun.
Regalo ko sa'yo.
12 na.
Ayaw na yun. Ikapanso.
Ito yung pambabayad natin. Tinatanggap ko doon sa grocery. Sayang.
I figured it out why she's the talk of the town. She watches her mouth when she knows he's not around. Never trouble getting what she needs. She moves a muscle and he's down on his knees. Oh, she can't buy those missing pieces, but she's getting impatient. It goes left and right. Do you wanna dance up in my room tonight? Screaming at the stars until my faith aligns. 'Cause all I really wanted was you